Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video we will build these two buttons with this nice hover effect, this vertical and horizontal effect. Let's get started. Let's start with the HTML. The HTML is really simple. We have just to add these two buttons, horizontal. I got rid of this. Span, soft text. I have the same thing to vertical. Let's go to CSS. I start with the body. I will give him a height of 100 VH and I will center everything with the flex box. Make display flex, align items center, and justify content center. And I will set the font family to Arial and the background color and the background to radial gradient ellipse at bottom with these two colors 396 EAB 0% and this color 07114 100%. Sorry, 100%. Let's save it. Let's open it with live server and see what give us. Open with live server and we will see. It is not running because we have not linked our CSS here. We will link to the CSS and let's take a look now. Yeah, it's working and it gives us this nice background and this ellipse in the bottom. Let's continue. Now I will style the horizontal class dot horizontal. I will make it to display flex and I will center everything also like the first like the body. Justify content center and align items center. I will give him a width of 400 px and the height of 120 pixels and the margin of 20 pixels. Sorry, margin of 20 pixels and the border of 10 px solid and white and the cursor to pointer. Let's give a save and let's take a look. Yeah, we have this. Now let's style the text. Dot horizontal dot text. We will give him a font size of 4M and the color of think white, yeah, and I will make some transition of 13 milliseconds, and now I will add the pseudo element before. Actually, this pseudo element, it allows us to have this effect. I will give him a content of null, position absolute, top of 0, left of 0, height of 100%, and width of 100%, and a background white, and transform origin of 100% 0, and this transform, actually 3D transform scale 3D, we'll make it in 0 1 1. Actually, to have more information of this scale 3D, take a look at the documentation of MDN. And I will add some transition also here. Transition all .3 second. And now let's style the text. Dot horizontal dot text. I will give him a color of white. Position relative. And transition all dot 3 seconds, and I will add this pseudo element before with the color of white, background white, and this transform origin at 0 1, and now we will build the hover effect. Now when we hover the horizontal box, hover, we need the text to become black, color black, and when we hover it also, the before element, pseudo element, actually we have an error here, before pseudo element will be at transform origin at 0 0, and transition and transform scale 3D at 1 1 1. Now let's hit save and see what we have. Yeah, it's working. When we hover, we see this effect is going like that horizontally, and it's continue. But I have just to set the font size to frame. Dot text font size frame. That's actually it. We have just to say the same thing to vertical, and we have done with this project. And now we copy all this horizontal, and we will say just vertical, copy this, make it vertical, and here vertical and vertical. Now we will change the transform origin to 0 0, and the scale 3D to 1 0, and here the transform origin to 0 100%, and the scale 3D to 1 1 1. Let's take a look. yeah, it's working. We have this nice hover effect. Thank you guys for watching this video. To more videos like that, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.